Good morning. Hey YouTube, it's your girl Keela coming at you naturally Dub K, and I just wanted to come at you before I got ready to work. I'm about to do a Let's Clean With Me video. We did movie night last night. It's just a whole hot mess in here, so come along with me. Let's get started. Maddie always leaves all her stuff in here. So when you look, all her stuff so far. Child never puts away. Her and Mahogany both. All right, so we are almost done. I only have time to clean the sitting room before I go to work, so somebody else gonna have to do the kitchen. So now that I've straightened up everything, I'm gonna do one more sweep, and then I've been spraying everything down with disinfectant spray because everybody up in here been sick. We have been having company in and out, so that's what you're about to see at this time. All right, you guys, so I have finished cleaning up the sitting room. Unfortunately, we'll not be able to get to the living room, but I'm gonna see if the kids can record a video and actually do that for me. It's a mess. So I have about an hour and a half before I have to be at work. And in 2020, one of the things that I'm gonna do is shop for some new furniture, because this furniture is, I didn't even have it that long, but I bought it off Amazon. It was like $1,700, and I might have had it 3 years. Yeah, it's trash. So the tables were good, so I would say try buying tables off Amazon. No shade to Amazon, I like Amazon, but the furniture, no, not gonna work. So thank you so much for watching. It's your girl Keela coming at you, Naturally Dubbed K. These are the type of videos that I like to watch, and I always watch YouTube. I watch it more than I actually watch TV. I watch cleaning videos, I watch mukbang videos, I watch vlog videos. So I watch hair videos. So if there's something that you would like to see on my channel to make this more interesting from you, I'm willing to definitely do that. Because, you know, I'm all about customer service. So whatever you guys want to see, I can actually make that happen for you. So I just need you to be a little bit more interactive. Comment below. Let me know what you like. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Tell a friend. We're on a mission to get 4,000 subscribers. We're trying to get rich.